In the world of professional gaming, comfort and support during long sessions are paramount. That's where the TGIF T0 Ergonomic Chair comes into play. Designed with the input of professional players and refined through thousands of experiments, the TGIF T0 sets a new standard in gaming chairs. There was only one man that could review such an epic product. And when he wasn't available, the next best thing was the real Sam Prentice. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to this review, the man himself.
You are watching a master at work.
What's going on, friends? Sapper is back once again. TGIF, their T0 Gaming Chair is here, and I am not a gamer. That's kind of the crazy thing about it. But when we started talking with TGIF, and again, thank you very much for sending me this chair, which I'm sitting in right now, of course, what dawned on me was actually I am, like many millions and millions of people out there, a professional sitter. I do sit in front of this desk for many, many hours each day, each month, each year. And actually, when it boils down to it, comfort is very much paramount when you're doing editing or gaming. The things kind of intertwined quite nicely. Now, they reached out to me to tell me a little bit about their Kickstarter campaign and to tell you guys a little bit more about this particular chair. And actually, I'll give out the game right away. I was surprised actually how comfortable it was. So let's get straight into this one. As an ergonomic gaming chair, the TGIF T0 is both aesthetically pleasing and practical. It comes with a striking mechanical look to refresh users and an innovative synchro system to ensure flexible and close-fitting lumbar support. Its style and design and synthesis of a hollowed-out grid and simple geometric shape strikes a balance between complexity and simplicity. The grey tone highlights and the distinctive and angular mechanism style also echo to the current popular esport elements. Now, this is super important. As a professional sitter, you need to be able to make sure that your back, your arms and your neck are correctly supported by your chair. And I have to say that having used this chair for the past 6 weeks and previously owning a leading competitor's chair, the T0 does feel a lot better, especially when it comes down to lumbar support. Now, of course, the wings on either side might not be to everybody's taste, but if the Game of Thrones Transformers look is kind of your thing, well, it's not really mine, but it has grown on me over the past couple of weeks. And I have thought about, in true gamer style, maybe adding some logos to either side of those wings. But, you know, time will tell. So I have put this chair to the test and quite literally have been sat on this for days, certainly over the past few weeks. At the beginning, I didn't really feel that it was really my jam, and maybe I was a little bit out of my depth. But to be fair with you, this product is something that I would definitely recommend. And from a price perspective, for something that you're going to be sat on for a long length of time, well, you definitely deserve to be comfortable. Now, on the T0, there's a lot of information about this innovative Synchro System. And what it is it provides users with a consistent and reliable lumbar support when they recline. And that maximizes the pressure on the spine and, of course, the sciatic nerve. In this way, users are protected from the lumbar trauma caused by a long-term sedentary lifestyle. And if you thought the T0 couldn't get any more exciting, well, it's also designed with a revolutionary zoning element for your hips and your thighs, which can effectively relax blood vessels and nerves through targeted elevation of pressure on the lower back, your butt and your legs. And it's specifically named T0 after the most powerful hero in games, which means nothing to me. Yeah. But the good people at TGIF assure me that the T0 is expected to serve users as the literal top gaming chair that boasts the cutting-edge ergonomic technologies, parameters, and patents. So there are a couple of other things that I wanted to point out about the designers of this chair, and they've really looked at how posture affects your body. Things like when you sit on the chair, your legs are raised up to reduce the pressure on your back. And it's something that I can really feel. The lumbar support is far better than my last chair. The arms move inwards and outwards and lift up and drop depending on what position you want to sit in. The neck support also feels really good, and the lever on the left-hand side allows you to throw the seat back and recline. It's a nice touch. These chairs also won a Muse Award and have been used at several large gaming events to ensure that the players or professional sitters are comfortable as possible. Feedback, of course, has been positive. The links to the Kickstarter page, of course, will be in the description below, so make sure you check them out. And why wouldn't it be? It is very comfortable. So let's talk about their Kickstarter campaign. Now, as some of you know with Kickstarter, It is a platform that many companies work with in order to fund and launch their products. Now, I'm led to believe that the pricing for the chair will come in around about $399 for the T0, and there's also a second chair called the T0 Max, which will be priced at $479. Now, I think that's pretty competitive inside the gaming chair market. However, Kickstarter does come with some inherent risks and challenges, but to be honest with you, TGIF have given me no reason to think that the campaign will be anything other than a huge success. Well, it might be that time to perhaps actually play a game. Let's get into that. So let's play a game. On the wall behind me here is a big TV, and this game is called No Man's Sky. So I haven't played this for months and months and months. So let's see if we can remember what we need to do. So if I choose to recline, I can. Maybe it's a late night. It's actually really comfortable.
One eternity later.
This is the stage of the game where there isn't a lot going on. We're just moving around. Here we go. Oh, there's action already. We've got action. Anyway, TGIF are wondering why this video is late. Well, it's because I started playing games. Let's go back to the other side. So if it's time to find yourself a new chair for amateur or professional gaming, or even if you're a professional sitter, this gaming chair has your back. The T0 provides cushion comfort for every quest. So good news, the TGIF Kickstarter has now gone live. Make sure you check out the purchase links in the description. Now, the website for TGIF is live, the TGIF official website. That is full of all kinds of glamorous shots and beautification of the chair, so I definitely would suggest that you check out that site as well. Again, the links will be in the description below. Let me know what you think about this chair in the comments below. Is it your jam? Is it too outlandish for you, or is it just right? Let me know in the comments. We will see you next time. Thank you so much for watching. Catch you soon. Bye for now.
You are watching a master at work.